Welcome, Mama. I see you. It's time to take a moment to pause. A moment for you. Between early mornings and endless to-do lists and the ever-present pull of work and family, it can feel like there's never enough time. This meditation is your invitation to pause, breathe, and rediscover a sense of ease within the busyness of your day. Whether you're sneaking in a few minutes during nap time, or in the car before heading to work, or while folding laundry, know that this time is yours. Let's begin. Find a comfortable position, whether you're sitting in a chair, on the floor, or even standing for a brief pause. Allow your spine to lengthen naturally and comfortably. And if it feels right, close your eyes or soften your gaze. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Exhale fully, letting it all out. Let your shoulders relax. Let your jaw unclench. Let your hands rest easily where they are. Give yourself permission to be here just as you are. Now let's take a moment to check in with the body. How does the belly feel as you breathe in and out? Do you notice any sensations? Warmth, tightness, or softness? Move awareness to the chest. How does it feel? Is it light and open, or feeling tight and full of tension? Finally, bring attention to your head and your face. Are there areas of tightness you can soften? Or does it feel at ease? Can you relax your jaw, your tongue? Simply observe and allow your body to be as it is. Before moving on to our pause meditation, let's take a few minutes to deepen our breath. Inhale deeply through your nose, allowing your belly to expand. Hold for a moment. Exhale slowly through pursed lips and let go of any tension that you felt. Let's do that again. Breathe in deeply through your nose. Hold for a moment. Exhale, drawing in ease. Release stress, release busyness. Now let's move into our practice. Today we'll use the pause method. Pause, attune, understand, shift, and ease to help shift from stress to presence so you can really be there for yourself and your family. First, pause. Stop for a moment. Give yourself the gift of stillness, even if it is just for this breath. Whatever is on your mind can wait. This is your time. Your time to take care of you and nurture yourself so you can take care of others. Just pause. Keep breathing in and out. And now we're going to attune. Take a slow, full breath in. Fill your lungs up. Feel your belly expand. And then a very slow, long breath out. Let the inhale nourish you with oxygen. And the exhale release your tension. Understand. Let's understand what's happening in our body. How does your chest feel? Your belly, your face? Notice any tightness, warmth, or sensations. Without judgment, just gentle awareness. Shift. Ask yourself this. What is my body telling me right now? What emotions are here? Can I offer myself kindness in this moment? We are so good at taking care of others, loving our families well, making sure our children have everything they need. But the shift is when you ask yourself, what do you need? Lastly, E is for ease. Instead of reacting to stress, choose how you want to respond. Maybe it's softening your shoulders, slowing your breath, easing your jaw, unclenching it, or simply acknowledging that you're doing your best, and your best is good enough. So pause, attune, understand, shift to ease whenever you need a moment. And as we come to the end of our practice, place a hand on your heart and offer yourself these words. I am enough. I am doing my best. I deserve ease, even in the midst of busyness. Take one last breath in and slowly exhale. When you're ready, gently open your eyes and return to your day, knowing that you can come back to this pause method anytime you need to. Your breath and a quiet moment is always there for you. I'm so proud of you for taking this time for yourself. You are worthy of the pause. You are worthy of the peace. If you would, please give this video a like and consider subscribing to the channel. Until next time, take care.